Namaste and welcome. Today's practice is about minimal cues and a lot of repetition. I'll be showing you, demonstrating you the practice, and then we'll repeat it together for a certain number of rounds. This is particularly focused if you're feeling very stiff, stiffness in your lower back, stiffness in your whole body. Let's try to target this short practice. Let's get seated. Allow your one leg in front of you. Don't let the ankles overlap. This is called Sukhasana. We'll get comfortable here. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. Allow your shoulders to relax. If you don't feel like closing your eyes, you can look at one point and just keep your focus there. Allow your body to breathe as freely as you can. Start this practice by having one simple intention. Once you have your intention clear, we'll have our right hand on the right side. Allow your hands to go as further apart as possible. Press your palms to the floor and push your palms into the floor as you reach ahead with the chest and let it face to the universe, to the ceiling, to the sky, wherever you're practicing. Just observe your breath here. Relax your neck, close your eyes. Feel the stretch to the lateral length and also your neck. Slowly come up. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Take your left arm to the floor. Press it and push the earth away from you. Let your ribs move to the diagonal corner and let your chest go upwards. Relax the opposite shoulder, relax your neck and close your eyes. Slowly bring yourself back center. We'll do seated cat and cow. Let's grab your hands on the front of your knee or top of your knee, whichever is more accessible for you. From here, as you exhale, you push down with your chest and chin. As you inhale, you expand your chest ahead and chin up. Continue this practice, observing your spine and your body. Make sure you're breathing along with this. And come back center. Both hands on your right side. On the right knee, grab hold of it and repeat the same thing facing towards the knee. Enjoy the beautiful chirping of the birds if you can hear it. And coordinate and focus on your breath. Come back center, same thing on the other side. Exhale, push your chest back. Inhale, lift your chest to the ceiling, open your heart to the sky. And come back center. From here, we just go for a gentle twist. So take your left hand on your right knee, take your arms behind and twist. Inhale, lift up your spine and let the exhalation help you twist. Inhale, come back center and do the same thing on the other side. 2 breaths. Inhale, lift up the spine. Exhale, allow it to stretch. Inhale, lift up the spine a little bit more. Exhale, feel that stretch. Coming back center, just feeling that little freeness in your spine that you can feel right now. Move it just as you like. Then we'll come on to standing on our knees. You can use cushion underneath your knees so that you can make it more accessible for you. We'll place your right leg on the right side. You watch if you can see my feet is coming inwards and my toes are pressing. Full soles of feet are pressing. Sliding through the hands and breathing. Close your eyes and just breathe. Slowly come back center. Drop your left arm down. Lift your right leg up. Try to bring it parallel to the floor. It's okay if it's just here, wherever you can comfortably. One hand on the waist or to the ceiling and find your balance. Use your core and slowly press that feet down and allow a complete lateral stretch. Open your chest up to the ceiling. Feel that expansion and stay there. Slowly bring your chest to the front. Get your hands back on the waist. Press from your feet to come up. We do the same thing on the other side. Feel free to support your knees with some padding. We'll go for left hand on the left leg, sliding it through and taking the arms up. Eyes closed, body relax and breathe. Slowly come back up. Dropping your right hand to the floor. Press it through and lift your leg up using your obliques, using your adductors. Keep that leg high, balance it. Drop that feet down. Drop your left arm and open your chest. Open your chest to the sky and slowly return back. Remember, the practice needs to be as per your capacity and not as per mine. So whatever is more accessible, how much ever for you, do just that much. If you're comfortable on the knees, get seated in Vajrasana. We'll observe breath here. We'll come down onto our stomach. This is to strengthen your back. You get your palms right under your shoulders. Press the palms to the floor as you lift yourself up. And don't extend your arms fully, keep it bent slightly. Exhale, slowly pushing down. Inhale, slowly pressing the earth away from you. And exhale slowly down. Continue doing this with the coordination of your breath. If you can do this without your hands, add that variation if you like. Slowly relax your forehead down, relax your shoulders, relax your arms. From here, lift your chest, legs, hands, and hold. Make sure you continue breathing. And release. One more time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, release. Push your hands to the floor. Curl your toes. And push yourself back into child's pose. If you can, get your knees together. Allow your spine to round and take your hands back. From here, stretch your palms into the front. Open your knees slightly apart. Allow your chest to sink. Release your forehead and breathe. Enjoy the silence and observe your breath. From here, we'll do Anahata pose, heart melting. So you bring your knees slightly back, take your hands slightly ahead, and try to melt your heart, your chest to the floor just as much as you can. You can keep your forehead or your chin on the floor. Relax your palms and breathe. Relax everything else that is not in use. Slowly press the palms. Come back sitting on your knees. Slowly taking your legs in front of you. Bring your feet up into boat pose and let's hold it. Practice at your pace and your capacity. Feel free to take break and come back to this position as many times as you like. You can rest and lie down on the floor, and if you like, you can hold into low boat and stay with me. Slowly come back up. Hug your knees from behind and pull your chest away from you as you push your knees also away from you. Rounding the back completely and enjoying that stretch on the back of your spine. Drop your toes down, heels down, and once again tuck the tailbone in and push the chest away from you. Gently lie down on the mat and enjoy your relaxation.